Hello children, how are you today? I hope you're doing well at home and you're revising and studying well. So let's get started with our history and geography class. You will open your book on the page 84. So we have reached the page 84. Tropical cyclones. The topic is tropical cyclones. We will carry on with our topic. So for today we are going to study how to track a cyclone. Okay, so open your book. How to track a cyclone. You have a map in front of you. Cyclone tracking map. You have this map in front of you. So what is this map? It shows a cyclone tracking map which helps us to follow the course of a cyclone during the cyclonic season. So when is the cyclonic season? From November to May. So in our previous video I gave you the answer. Why is November to May cyclonic seasons? So why are they cyclonic seasons? Because they are summer months. When there is summer, normally cyclones are formed during summer because the temperature is hot. The temperature is hot. So take a look. Map 3. You have your map. You will use this map to track the cyclone Hana. And then table 2 is cyclone Hana tracking data. So you will be using this data in table 2 to track the cyclone. So let's get started. First, we are going to take a look at the map. In your map, you have the islands: Rodrigues, Mauritius, Réunion Island, Tromelin, Agalega. You have Madagascar on your left. Now in your map, you will see, for example, on the top, 40 degrees east, 45 degrees east, 50 degrees, 55 degrees, 60 degrees, 65 and 70. So these are your lines of longitude. You have 10 degrees, 15 degrees, 20 degrees, 25 and 30 degrees south are all your lines of latitude. I hope you know what this means. Your lines of latitude and longitude, as you can see in the diagram. You have latitude and longitude. Okay, so now let's take a look at table 2. Table 2, you have the day from Friday to Sunday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. The dates are given below. The latitude, longitude and the warning, cyclone warnings. Okay, let's get started. Now we will do this together. We are going to do this together. Now itself, the time you are seeing this video, you will do this in your book. Let's start with Friday, the date, the 9th February. The month is February. We are going to start. So this is an example given to you. 15 degrees latitude. So as you can see on your map 3, you will see in red 15 degrees latitude and 67 degrees longitude. You are going to count. So you can see 65 at the top plus 2 of the 2, 67. Next we will start Saturday, the 10th of February, latitude 15.5. So how are you or you're gonna do this 15.5, so in between in between the lines 15.5, and then longitude 65. Sunday 16 degrees latitude, longitude for Sunday is 63. I hope you're able to follow. Now what you're going to do, you're going to as your example for Friday, you're going to do the same. You're going to place a dot on your latitude and longitude. For Monday, the 12th February 16.5, longitude 61. So 61 longitude, it's near Saint-Brandon. So it's over there near. Tuesday, the 13th, 18 degrees latitude, longitude 59.5 degrees east. So now +2, cyclone warning +2. Wednesday, 14th, 18.5 latitude and longitude 58 degrees, +3. Thursday as well, +3, latitude 19 degrees and longitude 57. You're going to place a dot. Friday 16th, latitude 20, longitude 56.5. Now +4. Saturday the 17th, 20.5, latitude, longitude 56.5. Sunday 18th of February, 22 degrees latitude, 57 degrees longitude. There is no warning cyclone. Okay, I really hope you have been able to do this. Okay, so you have got an example. I have already shown you what is your line of latitude, what is your line of longitude. You need to follow. You need to follow and place your dot. So when you will be placing your dot, it should be it should be very clearly placed. Okay. Okay, let's move on. I hope you have been able to do this activity. Okay, children, so let's move on. After you have completed your activity, here take a look. Your work should be like this. So I did this in my book. So your work should be like this. Okay, now we'll see this together. So what can you say about the map, about how you have tracked the cyclone? Now take a look Friday. So Friday, and then take a look the last day and date, Sunday the 18th. So from Friday to Sunday, do you see a difference? Yes, of course, which means the cyclone, take a look where Mauritius is. So the cyclone formed where? On the north east, 61 to 67 degrees longitude. So the cyclone formed on the northeast of Mauritius. Northeast of Mauritius, 15 degrees south. Now can you see where it is moving? It is moving in a southwest direction. From Friday to Sunday, it is moving from Sunday the 18th, it is moving in a southwest direction. So when cyclones are moving southwest directions, they are going to it is a sign that they are going to damage our island. They are going to damage the islands when they are moving the southwest direction. Now you see the cyclone it is starting to weaken. When it is already over Mauritius on the last day, there is no warning cyclone. Why? Because the cyclone has already moved towards the south. So take a look at the latitude, 21 to 3. 23 degrees south, which means the cyclone has weakened. Okay, your map should be like this. Okay, children, I hope you have been able to do this work. You have been able to plot Okay, let's move on. Page 85, activity 1.2. We are not going to do this, you will be doing this by yourself because you already did the question on our previous pages. Okay, so this is your homework. Let us take a look. We'll discuss this. Study the table 2. The table 2 is on the page 84. And plot the course of Cyclone Anna, which affected Mauritius Islands in February. We just did this. I really hope that you completed it. You did it with me when I was explaining. Okay, one example has been done for you. All you have to do is look at the line of latitude and longitude. You're going to plot you're going to plot the course of the cyclone. So in which direction was Cyclone Hannah moving from Tuesday to Thursday the 15th? You're going to see in your map, you're going to answer. As from which day was school closed? You will have to explain. How will you know? You will know by the cyclone warnings. When, as from which day was school closed? So when the cyclones, no one is allowed to go out, you'll have to explain why. Why was the cyclone warning class 4 enforced on Friday? So on your map, you're going to see Friday the 16th of February. Just take a look on your map. So you're going to write about the line of longitudes and what you can see about the line of latitude. You have to mention. Give 2 reasons why people had to be careful even though there was no more cyclone warning on Sunday 18th of February. Okay, so you have to take a look at your guidelines. Why people need to be careful even after the cyclone, page 80. On your guidelines, you will see. Reinforcement activity. So based on what we just did, you will have to track your own cyclone. How are you going to do? So when you're tracking your own cyclone, it is not you're going to invent a cyclone, not a real cyclone. You're going to invent. You're going to see which lines of latitude and longitude. Okay, so this is an activity for you. You will take a look from your previous page 85. You're going to track a cyclone of your own. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope this lesson was clear for you. You're going to revise, you're going to review what we just did. Okay, so see you later. Do your homework, revise your notes. See you later. Take care.